Hi guys, first of all, we have a presentation and I'm Sally and we have a presentation with the theme to using English and habit in campus. Before we start, I want to know your name guys. Can I?
Of course, Sel. My name is Myla Nuril. Good to see you, Sel.
Last but not least, my name is Miguel.
Okay guys, what weakness that you think are using at campus about using basic English language?
I see the many people in campus, seldom student is using basic English and that people is wrong to say. I like using he, his, and him, and she, her.
And also many students don't understand the English conversation, so it's early disappointing.
Okay guys, my inclination of the English using on campus have many opportunities to improve speaking fluently. Example for the opportunities are being able to study about opportunities, making it sure to interact with international people for networking, and for looking job. I know you worry guys. So in this meet, I want to talking about how we can using basic English early. I will divide the material into three. Nah, right? Now, it is vocab, grammar, and practice. When we have a lot of vocabulary words, the next step, in the second, we will start compiling into a cohesive sentence, namely grammar, and then we can practicing to communicate in English, and in English we have many opportunities, guys.
I appreciate your point of view that an excessive focus on English can lead to over reliance on one international language, while studying in campus might underdevelop other language skills that could also be useful in an international career.
Actually, I have the same perception with Shelly because in the world English is international language and having English is being your opportunity for looking a job. So I really agree with Sally. But Naila, it doesn't totally wrong because English it doesn't use it every day. But if I have my opinion, someone it doesn't must perfectly understand and saying with English, but someone as a student must to know about basic English.
I think you have a good argument. English is important to use, but it doesn't have to be perfect to be used in daily life in Indonesia. With use having a basic English language can open more opportunities in terms of education and in the world of work in the future.
That's a very good discuss, guys. Thanks for telling me about that, Sal. You're the best.
I'm pretty sure Naila, anyone have topic again for discuss, guys?
I have Sal, I have a topic about effective learning on campus. I choose this topic because this one is important. It's about how a student can be interested to the English language in campus. How about that, guys?
Well, EL, I really excited about your topic.
Me too, let's get started, EL.
So guys, I want to talk about this because I think this topic is really important. First of all, I will my presentation as this theme, how do you learn English effectively on campus? This depends on three aspects. First, yourself, two, your lecturer, and the last is a supportive environment. And first of all, in yourself, must to be have attention and interest to be English of language. The second aspect is a lecture. I think many lecture have a class is an interactive class, and the lecture must to be have a class with the type practice, not the just about material. And last but not least, we have a supportive environment, just like the association that focus on English language development.
You're really good, EL, with this topic. I really amazed. His material give me a viewpoint about a sportive environment, and I agree 100% with you.
EL, your material is good, but I think many people just learn with themselves. They don't need a teacher and the supportive environment. My opinion, the material you provide is not good enough.
Sally, I appreciate your statement, but you must know about if someone just learn with themselves, they make the person never practice with their skill that mean. The skill in English A language is not perfect. So, if you want to make your English perfect, you must practice in around you. That make you confident in English.
Oh El, how good you are. After all my statement is wrong, I really care about that.
It's okay, Sal. Everyone learn. Can I have time, guys, for my topic in using English in campus?
What do you want to talking about, Mac?
I want talking about how important using English language that's correction in communication, especially in campus. I start with my worries about someone said wrong word in public that's made a bad habit. For example, for everyone at campus always using join with us or let's join us, just cite join us is a perfect word that a simple things that wrong being a habit at around us. So I want to say if you want to speak clearly you must know about word by word, not just about translate the meaning but you also know about the verb and the other tense. And also many people don't know about the situation that must use formal or informal speech. It's basic things but many people don't understand about different both of them. Simply speech that use simply that's
Normal speech.
use for someone other than use or someone respect by us, and informal speech used by someone have same age with us and our daily with friends.
But Nai, I think your method is not really important enough for us, especially on campus, because using the English just like a practice. If you wrong, you can fix that.
But I have some perception with my because even that a simple word is really big deal if used for conversation.
Yes, you're right, Sal, and yeah, we wrong. Even that simple that can be a different meaning and also need that misinformation then can be hoax or anything else that really danger for society because communication is irreversible.
I got it, Nai. Thanks for helping me. That's really kind of you.
Not a big deal,
And you want to have something again, guys?
Nothing, Sal.
Okay guys, we have done with our conversation. I hope you enjoyed the day guys. See you!
See you soon, Sally.
Thank you.